Little fun rip here with the Alpha Quad.
Yeah! For the first time, it's going down history, baby. New 3-6 Mafia, featuring 8Ball and MJG, Young Buck. It's a Tennessee thing. We gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay till I die. Hey, call me the juice and you know I'm a stunt. Riding in the car with some bump in the trunk. Tone in my lap and you know it's a funk. Breaking down the good green, rolling the blunt. Get up pimp tight, girl, say I'm the main. Ice on the wrist with the ice in the chain. Ride through the hood, yeah, I'm dripping the grain. And I'm sipping the same while I'm changing the lane. I feel tight cause I'm choking the green. Bitch, it messed up cause I'm drinking the lean. Messing with a D-boy, riding them big toys. Make your man gal wanna get on my team. She gotta give it up when she get in my car. I ain't Denzel, but I know I'm a star. Cause when I'm in the club, I be back in the bar. In the VIP bar, and be buying the bar. DJ Paul is a dog, one you do not trust. You leave your green around me, nigga, your green gon' get lit up. You leave your drink around me, believe your drink gon' get drunk up. You leave your girl around me, if she bad, she gonna get stuck. These niggas are spies, we let them lie. Keep them lies tied, ride, what they like. Make a couple of nuns, a couple of dimes. All purple, purple, purple. And swallow it down with the yerple, yerple, yerple. It's going I gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay till I die. Pump up pants, nigga, roll that blunt. Let's get high, nigga, smoke us one. Paul pull out the phantom, niggas can't stand it, but them hoes gon' come out. Just really wanna smoke my weed. Fuck these hoes and stack my G's. Stop at the light and pause on 3. Hit them all and it be all on me. But gotta keep one eye with the popo. Close the window when I roll the endo. Know they mad cause I'm rolling benzo. This that purple, not Nintendo. 3-6 Mafia in my kinfo. So when I'm in Memphis, Tennessee, I just might not bring my own. Cause the niggas they'll let me smoke for free. What's up, Mary? How you doing? Mary Jane. Since I have met you, girl, you're on my brain. You stole my heart right from the start. So I broke you down, look mama, put you in the dark. I gotta stay till I die. I gotta stay till I die. Yeah. Front row full of that dro. Lead the club full of rose mo. Yo girlfriend wanna ride with me in the car with a pimp. What you supposed to be? You ain't met no dudes really cold as me. The bag of cushion cost 650. Have a nigga who smoke Reggie Miller, coughing and choking constantly. Taste like fruit when you hit it. Gotta have bread to get it. Smoke all night, sleep all day. That's to be the American way. Roll that shit, light that shit, hit that shit, hold that shit, blow that shit out slow and then pass it to me. Roll. MJ finna sprinkle in some of that.
Kill it.
I can't cure death. Blam, blam.
Well, that's the first time I've ever killed a Thunder Power battery. I wasn't even paying attention. I killed it. Alright. Wasn't even looking. Well, that's gonna be the true test of the Thunder Power right there.
Telemetry lost.
Yes, it is. But I need to get a new motor on this bad boy. I know which one it is too. I know which one it is. It's I think it's this one here. Yep. That motor is going bad. Yes, sir. Alright. Anyway, there we go, folks.
When a nigga with the good sticking up my head, cut up on a cigarillo like a lumberjack. In the morning, what I need is a breathe again, a whole lot of weed. What I need is somebody to give me what I need when I want nothing less than the best of the trees. DJ Ball and Juicy J, 8Ball and MJG, and Young Buck. We don't give a fuck. We must represent this Tennessee. We drink a whole lot of Hennessy. Nah, nigga got a little hair on his chest. If we like Bill Clinton, girl, take it out your mouth. We'll shoot it right down his dress.